Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. What has happened in the market in just a matter of few hours is extremely scary. And it has been creating a lot of panic across the board right now over the past few hours. If you guys don't know, earlier today, when we did see this massive crash, I did update you guys with an emergency update. So if you missed that, I will get into more detail right now. Looking at the overall crypto market cap, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $955.3 billion. We're below that $1 trillion mark, and whatever we made over the past few days, gained, has all been wiped out right now. The market is down about 10.6% in the last 24 hours. You guys can see across the board, insane amount of red. We could see a sea of red right now. What is happening? Where are we going in the immediate short term? Is this the end? A lot of questions are on people's mind right now, and that's exactly what we will get into right now. Today, I want to focus more on Polygon Matic. All right, my Polygon family, if we are looking at the price of Polygon right now, it is currently trading at $1.01, down 16.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 6.3 in BTC and 0.7 in ETH comparative over the last 24 hours. One thing has changed though, and the thing that has changed is that the ranking has gone up one mark and currently sitting at the top 10th rank because Solana got hit very hard today due to the fact that FTX had a major collapse within its price. You guys know what has been happening. FTX and Binance going with one another. A lot of negativity going on across the market. And I do believe whales took advantage of that and really took, the BTC price towards the downside. But looking at the market cap of, Polygon right now, it is currently sitting at $9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $2.7 billion. But before we get into the charts and look at, what has happened and where's the price going in the immediate short term, I do want to say that, Polygon Matic came out and said this tweet, and it is very exciting, and I wanted to share this with you guys, some sort of positive news before we get into the price. So they say Bebop Dex launches a unique one-to-many, many-to-one token trading platform on Polygon. This new platform incubated by DeFi powerhouse Wintermute_T chose Polygon to enable low fees and a best-in-class user experience. Very nice. I cannot wait to give this platform a go. But yeah, this really goes to show more and more, developers are launching on Polygon because of the lower fees, trying to get away from Ethereum. And that really does get me excited. But now let's get right into the price and see what has happened to the price and where are we going in the immediate short term. So you guys can see the price right now is currently trading at $1 mark. And this right here is very crucial for the price of Matic, and the next few hours could be very important for Matic. So now, if I do bring out the daily time frame, but a little bit zoomed in, you guys can see we're literally sitting at the support line, which has been a level of resistance for us for quite some time, dates all the way back to May 8th. And you guys can see the price has tried to break out of there for quite some time. We finally managed to break out of here after the Facebook news. But obviously today we saw a massive crash in the price of Bitcoin, causing Matic to obviously react. Well, let's go look at what has happened with Bitcoin. I'm sounding like a broken record at this point. You guys are free to go watch any of my recent videos on, the Matic that I have uploaded. I always mention at the end, Bitcoin is not looking bullish. It's still in deep danger zone because, we need to be above this 22K mark for me to even feel safe for the price of Bitcoin. And I always mention, you're free. Please be my guest to go watch my previous videos and see me mentioning that we are still in danger zone for BTC, and BTC did see a major price drop and hit a yearly low of $17,170, causing the entire market to follow. At the end of the day, this is a king of the markets, and if it drops, we are going to see everything else react because everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. And right now, we're still in extreme danger zone because we're below 78.6 zone, which is the last straw for Bitcoin. And if we are unable to close above there in the next few hours, we could be in for more downward momentum, which is not going to be looking well for the entire cryptocurrency market. And that's just the truth that we do have to face. But right now, you guys can see the price of Matic is fighting against this support line, and we do need to stay above this support line at all costs. You guys can see we did see a wick all the way down to 90 cents, but we have seen a buyback quick. We have seen a bounce back very, very fast, and that goes to show that there were a lot of orders placed around that 90 cents mark. But forget about the 90 cents mark. I do need to see the price of Matic close above this level of resistance as soon as possible. But if the price of Bitcoin continues a downwards trend, we could possibly see Matic react to that, and we could see Matic go lower. And obviously that is not what everyone wants to hear, including myself. But again, guys, this is cryptocurrencies. This is why when you're sitting at massive profits, you want to be locking in profits, because this market is manipulated and can be shifted in a matter of a few hours, and that's exactly what we have seen happen. But long-term perspective, guys, my image does not change on Polygon Matic. I still see this project as a top 3 project in the next bull cycle, and nothing is going to stop that from happening. But obviously in the immediate short term, we are seeing obviously some scary things happening with the price. But let's not forget, the long-term perspective is always the more important one, and we're still in a bear market. Even though we are in a bear market, let's not forget, a lot of people are forgetting the fact that if you were picking up some Matic around the lows of June 21st, you're still up 215%. You're still up 215%, and I can't have people forget about this. And this is something that a lot of people do tend to forget, but that is not something we should be forgetting. But I do still need to see the price as soon as possible be above that level as resistance now it is playing as for us, because we're below it. But I do not see Matic having troubles getting above that quite fast, because what they're doing right now, what they are building, the way they're building it, it's just absolutely insane. And I strongly am a huge believer of this project since absolutely day one. Yesterday I was just going back in my old videos and looking at what I have uploaded over the years, and I saw like Matic. I covered Matic when it was $60 million market cap. $60 million market cap. If you guys want me to show you guys next video I upload on Matic, I will show you guys that. And I was covering Matic around then. It was only 2 cents at that point. And like I said, I remember Matic when it launched and it was below a penny, and it has come a long way, and I still believe this project is going to take over. But right now we are seeing a little bit of a scary time due to the Bitcoin, the king of the markets. But long-term perspective is still really, really bullish. But I still need to see the price go above this level of resistance. I cannot stress this enough. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.